Let's have a quick look at these solar panels that the manufacturer says will keep your outdoor camera battery charged even if it's an overcast day. And I couldn't agree more because I have a couple installed around my pool cage, and I'll show you those in just a minute. Now, the great thing about using the solar panel means you don't have to run electrical wires to keep your battery charged up in your security camera. I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that comes in the box, and I'm going to share with you the setting that you must use on your camera in your app so that it'll work properly. Before you set up your solar panels, I suggest waiting a day or so just to watch where the sun hits the spot you're planning to use it. It'll save you the trouble later if the panel's not getting enough light. Now, inside the box, you'll find everything you need, all the mounting hardware, plus 2 cable adapters in case your camera uses a USB-C. There's also a couple of templates you can stick on the wall or wherever you're mounting your solar panel, so you'll know exactly where to drill the holes. Something I found interesting, and I'll bet it will surprise you, I've got a camera mounted inside my pool cage to keep an eye on my dog. The solar panel for that one is actually mounted inside the cage, so the sun has to come through the screen, and it works great. Outside the cage, I've got another camera to keep an eye on the backyard. Now, here's the part that took me a little while to figure out. If you're running a Ring camera on solar, make sure it's set to battery mode and not wired mode. That way the panel will just keep topping off the battery and the camera stays powered around the clock. Hopefully this video has cleared up any questions you had about these solar panels. Thanks for watching.